After this one, we'll be having the semifinals for the Hot Street Division. Please stand by for that. The semifinals coming right up next. That concludes the quarterfinals for the Hot Street or Class B division. Please stand by for the semi-final round coming right up next. Once again, for the